So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to do slow transition on CapCut. So if you want to add slow transition to your CapCut video, let me show you step by step how to do it. After you open the CapCut, go to transition. So click on the arrow beside the transition, scroll to down, go to classic. For this video, I'm choosing this black fade. So if you want to add it to your timeline, drag it and add it between the clips. After you add it between the clips, so now if you want to make it too slow, so I'll just click on the transition, go to this option and see the duration. So duration for the transition is 0.5 seconds. Now I increase the duration to 0.7 seconds. So now the duration is 0.7. Now let's play the video and see.
On the market.
So as you can see now, the duration now has made it too slow.
On the market.
So if you want to increase the duration to make it too slow, you can just select the transition and go to this side and increase the duration to, let's say, 0.8. So now let's play and see.
On the market.
So that's it guys on how to make any transition to be slow on your transition. So if you want to add this transition to all of your clips, so you just select this one and go to apply to all. So from there, all the clips will use this slow transition for your CapCut. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.